Curious about unlocking the potential of AI as a money-making machine? In 2025, the landscape of earning with AI tools is evolving faster than ever, and you might be surprised at the endless possibilities. From automating tasks to creating profitable projects, AI is opening doors to new income streams you never thought possible. In this ultimate guide, we'll explore how anyone, whether you're a beginner or experienced, can harness the power of AI to make money. Stay tuned to uncover the strategies that will shape the future of earning. Why AI is a game changer for earning money? How did AI evolve from a futuristic idea into a groundbreaking tool that's reshaping how we earn money today? In 2025, AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a game changer for anyone looking to earn money. With advancements in machine learning, automation, and natural language processing, AI tools are now more accessible than ever, leveling the playing field for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and businesses alike. Whether it's automating repetitive tasks, enhancing creativity, or optimizing decision-making, AI is streamlining processes that once took hours or even days. This means that you can do more in less time, increase productivity, and tap into new income streams. As AI continues to evolve, its potential for generating revenue is limitless, making it an indispensable asset for anyone serious about earning money in the digital age. The best AI tools for earning money in 2025. What if you could use cutting-edge AI tools to start earning money right now? In 2025, AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a powerful asset that can help you generate money. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are revolutionizing content creation, allowing you to write blog posts, ads, and social media content in minutes. If you're into design, Canvas AI-powered design tools help you create stunning visuals effortlessly. For automation, Zapier can streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative endeavors. Upwork and Fiverr now host AI-related freelance jobs, opening doors for people who want to offer AI-driven services. These AI tools not only save time, but also unlock new opportunities to make money faster and smarter than ever before. How to leverage AI for freelancing opportunities. Ever thought about how AI can boost your freelancing career? In 2025, AI isn't just for tech experts, it's a game changer for freelancers across different industries. From content creation to digital marketing, AI tools can streamline your workflow and open new income streams. Imagine using AI for copywriting, video editing, or even social media management, all while saving time and improving quality. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are already filled with opportunities for freelancers who leverage AI tools effectively. By incorporating AI into your services, you can scale your business, enhance your portfolio, and stand out to potential clients. It's time to turn AI into your ultimate freelancing ally. Creating and selling AI-generated content. Imagine creating high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would normally take and getting paid for it. Thanks to AI, generating and selling content has never been easier or more profitable. Whether it's videos, blog posts, music, or even digital artwork, AI tools can help you produce unique, engaging content quickly and efficiently. Platforms like YouTube, Medium, and stock photo websites are perfect for monetizing your creations. AI can even optimize your content for SEO, ensuring it reaches a wider audience. The key is consistency and quality. In 2025, AI is not just a tool, it's your partner in earning money. AI and e-commerce. Boosting your online business. You know you can run an online business where everything from product recommendations to customer service is powered by AI. In 2025, AI is transforming e-commerce by automating and optimizing processes that once required hours of work. With AI-driven tools, you can personalize the shopping experience, improve customer engagement, and predict trends before they even emerge. Smart chatbots can handle customer queries 24/7, while AI algorithms analyze buying patterns to suggest the perfect products. Inventory management is more efficient than ever with AI predicting stock needs in real time. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's powered by AI. Passive income with AI tools. What if you could make money even while you were asleep? With AI tools, it's becoming a reality. Passive income isn't just about making money without constant effort. It's about leveraging AI to automate processes that generate revenue on autopilot. Whether it's using AI for affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, or running automated content channels, the opportunities are endless. AI can analyze trends, optimize ads, and even generate content, all while you focus on other ventures. The beauty of passive income with AI lies in its ability to scale with minimal intervention, allowing you to earn consistently. AI for investing and financial growth. What if your investments could grow effortlessly without you lifting a finger? Sounds like the perfect approach and the perfect way to earn money, right? In 2025, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach investing and financial growth. AI-powered platforms are now capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns, and making predictions that would be impossible for humans to replicate. Whether it's stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate, AI tools are designed to help you make smarter, more informed decisions. From automated trading bots to personalized portfolio management, these tools can optimize your investments with precision. By leveraging AI for financial growth, you not only save time, but also increase your chances of achieving long-term wealth. Ethical considerations and risks of using AI for money making. AI isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules, but as with any powerful tool, of course, there comes with its own set of challenges. While AI offers incredible opportunities for earning, it also raises important ethical questions and concerns. One of the biggest risks is privacy. AI tools can collect vast amounts of personal data, and mishandling this data can lead to major security breaches. Furthermore, using AI to automate processes can sometimes result in job displacement, creating societal and economic challenges. Another risk is the potential for bias. AI algorithms can sometimes reinforce existing biases, leading to unfair outcomes. This can be especially concerning in industries like hiring or finance, where decisions can significantly impact people's lives. As we embrace AI for money making, it is crucial to use it responsibly, keeping transparency and ethics at the forefront. Embracing the future of AI. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's transforming how we earn money in ways we never imagined. As we move to 2025, the possibilities for leveraging AI to boost your income are limitless. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or creator, AI tools are your new secret weapon for efficiency. As we embrace this exciting future which involves creativity and profitability, it's essential to stay informed, adapt, and use AI ethically. The world of earning with AI is evolving, and the sooner you tap into it, the greater the rewards. Don't let this revolution pass you by. Explore the tools, experiment, and position yourself for success in the AI-driven economy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI insights.